Welcome to Food Dealing. Ready to make Iranian Samosa? Let's get started. First up, we need 2 medium onions. Let's chop them as finely as possible. Achieving the perfect texture starts with finely chopped onions. Let's do that. Next, we need 150 grams of fresh parsley. Time to chop the parsley finely. Mash 3 cooked potatoes until completely smooth. Now let's saute the finely chopped onions in hot oil until they're golden. Spice time. We'll need a teaspoon each of turmeric, red pepper, thyme, garlic powder, coriander, and salt. Add the spices to the onions and saute, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Mix in the mashed potatoes with the spiced onions, combining them thoroughly. It's time to add the parsley, mixing it well with our potato and onion blend. For our samosas, we'll cut lavash bread into 15 centimeters wide strips. Spread the samosa filling evenly at one end of each bread strip. Follow my lead and roll the samosas. Each samosa is then fried in hot oil until golden and crispy on each side. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Fry each side for about 3 minutes, aiming for that perfect crunch. Enjoy your Iranian potato samosas. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.